Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix floating video call not working on Messenger. So guys, if you are using Messenger on iPhone or on Android phone and you have facing the issue that when you have make any video call and want to shift your video call to floating and your floating video call is not working, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, you have to go back on your home screen. Now you have to open your settings first. After this you have to click on general, and from here you can see the option of picture in picture. Make sure that you have turned it on. So guys, if it is off on your iPhone, you have to make it on, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is update problem. If you are using oldest version of Messenger, you have to update your app. So guys, how can you do this? You have to open your app store, and if you are using Android phone, you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Messenger. After this you have to click on your Messenger app and you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing this you have to go back and check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings here, scroll below, click on general, click on iPhone storage, and now you have to wait for some seconds. Scroll it down. From here you have to find Messenger and you need to offload your app. And after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and guys, after this all the bugs and all the problems will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.